Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Sarkiani, and today we have the technical session number 106. Our subject is cement. Cement used in the civil construction technology. So, what is the cement? Cement is a binder and a substance used for the construction that sets, harden, and the other types of the materials, which are the aggregates, sand, and mixture, and it is binded together with a paste shape. Uh, is a seldom used on the Portland cement, cement clinker, geopolymer cement, and cement clinks technology. This is the powder shape. What is the cement ingredients? Cement is a manufacture, so a closely controlled chemical combination of calcium, silicon, aluminum, iron, and the other ingredients commonly material used in the construction field. And the cement ingredients are the shales, chalks, mold combined with the limestone, clay, slates, blast fume, slags, silica, and the iron ores, etc. Cement is a fine gray powder type, and it's a mixture to achieve from the clinked limestone and the clay used for the water and the sand to make together for a combination of binding and the aggregates makes concrete a blind glue and the adhesion. Once it is going to the in hardened shape, it is very strong due to the passage of the time and the design criteria, which are the 28 days and the 56 days. And the initially it is baseline for the 7 days, and gradually the strength, compressive strength is increased according to the stage of the maturity. So, what are the major types of the cement? Major types of the cements are the OPC cement, ordinary Portland cement, PPC cement, Portland pozzolan cement, rapid hardener cement, extra rapid hardening cement, low heat cement, sulfur resistant cement, low setting cements, blast furnace slags, MSRC, moderate sulfur resistant cement, and also GGBS, granular blast cement, microsilica slags, fume slags, whatsoever. And apart from that, there are other eight kinds of cement: type 1, type 2, type 3, up to type 8. These are the things. Type 5 is a analysis the bus cement for the heavy structure, and it is give the best results. But everything is according to the design and the baseline of the research, and whatsoever it is, the cement is preferred to use. Cement is mainly used as a binder in concrete, which is a basic material for all types of the construction, including housing, roads, schools, hospitals, dams, ports, as well as the decorative application of the floors, staircase, driveway, poles, ponds, decks, and whatsoever it is. This is the cement is a major use for the that. What is the natural cement? Natural cement is a cement, natural cement, hydraulic cement made in the limestone that the high clay content with the limestone and the different from the buildings limestone, which are the made from the limestone with the lower clay content in the limestone. It is not a hydraulic uh, reaction, but it is Acidic reaction with the synthesized laboratory or the mixture, but it is the natural phenomena in the earth is going on when two different uh, types of the mineral and aggregate and limestone and whatsoever it is, they combine with each other and the new creation is coming into being. Then it is formed a natural cement and it is combined and it is very, very strong bonding with the other materials and to become as a hardened stones. So that is the natural cement. But according to the baseline of the natural cement, also it was synthetically made the artificially cement by research and by the uh, uh, baseline of the design criteria and whatsoever it is matching. So what is the cement formula? Cement formula is majorly this is CaAF, ACAO, Al2O3, and Fe2O3, calcium aluminum ferrite, CSH, calcium silicate hydrate, and colloids, and the mostly atmosphere gel, and with the various composition. This is the major hydration products of the Portland cement, constituently approximately 70% of the paste and the providing the most modern strength of the binding. So, what is the cement and the properties of the cement? It is a binder between the construction industry and it has a both adhesion and cohesion and properties and it can be blindly particularly into a compact durable solid mass. Cement has a wide applicable and constituents industry such as when the cement is mixed with sand and the other form of the paste, it is termed as a mortar, which is also a part of the uh, cement. So, what are the major types of the quality test of the cement? Finesse test, consistency test, setting or test, strength test, compressive strength, soundness, heat of hydration test, tensile strength, and the chemical composition. So, there are the design criteria of the cement that the below ground substructure there is some type of the cement which is using and the above ground for the superstructure there is another types of cement to be used because the ground condition according to the ground condition and the report of the soil investigation we can recommend the which type of the cement is going to use in the substructure and the which one is going to use as the superstructure because the superstructure have the mostly covered by the tiles, epoxies, and the glasses, and whatsoever many things. Atmosphere contamination cannot reach to the concrete air, which is severely attacked from the ground surface below the ground. So this is again the mixed design and the design criteria of the simmers, and this is we can discuss some other time with another session that which types of simmer is where to use and why it is used. Because cement, the microsilica and the GGBS also, it is close the concrete structure and make the concrete impermeable. So in that case, the water cannot penetrate inside the concrete and the uh, corrosion fear and this is the risk of the corrosion to the steel and the concrete hair cracks is reduced, very reduced, and the concrete texture is close. So the our steel is safe in that beyond the concrete covers. So this is mostly today we will cover about the cement. Thank you very much and have a nice day. We will see in next video with another subject. Have a nice